Hello, my apple bunch. I want to introduce to you a new series I'm running called Pika PPaD, where you and me together open up a pack of Pokemon cards. And I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but sometimes you just have to savor the moment. And other times you just don't have enough time for more than one pack. So enjoy your first Pika PPaD. Hey guys, good to see you. Hope you're having a good night. It's time for your Pika PPaD. Today we're gonna do Sun and Moon Lost Thunder. I know it's old school, but who knows? We could get something good. So let's give it a try. Sun and Moon Lost Thunder. Combi. Look at that happy face. Oh, it's a female Combi. That's what that red mark means. Lit Leo. Pineco. Pinico? Pineco. I should know how to say their names. Cyndaquil. So cute. So happy. So spiky. All to fire. Ralts. I love these when they're made of clay. They look so good. Like I just want a collection of them. Makes me want to make little Pokemons out of clay. Ariados. Spider Pokemon. Do not understand. Fairy Charm. Prevent all damage done to the fairy Pokemon this card is attached to by attacks from your opponent's Psychic Pokemon GX and Psychic Pokemon EX. This is an awfully specific card. Like, awfully specific. Cascoon, Reverse Hollow. Nice and spooky. Mantine. Riding them waves. Oh my god, we have a full art. Guys, you see that? Do you see that golden border? Do you see it? Oh, I wonder what it is. Oh, I'm so excited. Choice Helmet. Oh, look at that. The Pokemon this card is attached to takes 30 less damage from the attacks of your opponent's Pokemon GX and Pokemon EX after applying weakness and resistance. Wow, that's amazing. Can't believe we got a gold trainer card. I'm so happy. I love collecting these, even if I can't use them anymore. Makes me happy. Yeah, I think so too. Have a good night.